Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I got a 05 brand prix with the 5.3 having alternator charging issues. We got our Harbor Freight alternator voltage battery checker hooked up. So right now it's showing good. When this one's getting hot, we're losing voltage over here. So right now it's 3.4 and it keeps clicking up. So the way you test is on that red wire. It should have 5 volts from what I'm reading. 4.2 is the minimum allowed, and it should be charging 14, which right now this one is. But as you can see right here, our voltage keeps flip-flopping. So these things have an internal regulator issue that will short out. So if you unplug it, let me see if I can do this. Unplug it. See how it just goes up, stays up. It's not dropping back down anymore. You know, all we're doing is just unplugging it. So for 4.3, 4.4. Obviously it's not going to be charging. We're battery voltage now. Plug it back in. Let me show you what it's doing. Plug it back in. And we're dropping. So this one actually, once the alternator gets heated up, we'll start dropping down to like 1.5, 2.0. It's just the internal regulator. And when it gets that low, it won't even charge that 14 no more. Once it heats up and stuff, it just drops down. So pretty simple alternator to do. 2 bolts at the top here, 2 bolts on the back side, 15 millimeters, plug your battery cable, and the belt comes off. Slips right out. But that's how you check these. So red wire, you can back probe it. Like I said, you should have a minimum 4.2. Don't have that. So internal shortage on the alternator. The non-V8 models, I believe, have a different setup on the plug wire. So this is just, I'm showing you guys this on this setup on how it should be done. This is just a common issue inside the voltage regulator. But check us out next time, and as always, keep wrenching.